The storm is causing a big mess down the shore, too. It is soggy in Ocean City.
That's where CBS Philadelphia reporter Alicia Roberts is right now. And yes, where Bill and Drew said the action really was. Alicia.
Yeah, good evening to you, Jess and Yuki. The storm continuing, if you can believe it, to intensify here along the boardwalk in Ocean City. It seems like the storm has shifted a bit right now. We can feel the winds and the rain coming from south to north. If you can kind of see it, it's just coming down in sheets right now along the boardwalk here. For that reason, extra power crews have been staffed across Cape May County all throughout the night. They were anticipating the possibility of power outages with some of the heavy wind gusts that we are seeing here along the shore points up and down the coast. Also tonight, many residents heeding the early warnings to stay home, knowing that the threat is still far from over. Trash cans scattered and street lamps shattered along a barren Ocean City boardwalk Tuesday night as this latest winter storm barreled through the Jersey shore, bringing with it powerful wind gusts that tested even those things strongly secured in its path. Across town, silence except for the sound of the wind whistling from the ocean to the bay. Heavy rains also flooded local roads and made driving dangerous along the Atlantic City Expressway. Those who did venture out told us they were quickly heading home, not eager to tempt Mother Nature's might for much longer.
Oh, it's crazy. The drive home was nuts. Everyone was going 45, 50 on the way home on the expressway. The wind, once you get on the island, is crazy. It's unreal.
The flooding in the streets has gotten kind of bad in some spots. The wind, of course, in my car, it's very pushing you around a little bit. And the rain is steady, but it's not too bad. But it's the wind that's giving problems.
And while the earliest threats here along the Ocean City boardwalk have been the high winds and the heavy rains, the ocean is actually expected to reach high tide tomorrow morning at 6:30 a.m. So the threat of flooding here is still very real. We've seen a lot of the local roadways already flooded out here along Ocean City and neighboring shore towns. Many residents knowing that potentially there is still a very long night ahead. For now, we are live here in Ocean City. Alicia Roberts, CBS News, Philadelphia.